We're gonna rock some lobster tails today and some fingerling potatoes in the wood-fired oven. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Check this out. First, we're gonna heat up our skillet pan. I put a little bit of butter on there anyway, just to give it a little pre-start. Look at that, it's nice and hot. Gonna land it on the shelf. Now, this is the Forno front oven, so we're definitely gonna be having some fun. We're gonna add some more butter on there. We might as well get it going really nice. Put our tails on there. All right. Make sure they stand up. Oh yeah. Let's sizzle away, baby. 4 nice tails. Great meal. Keep that up. There's another one. And then I got the fingerlings. I tossed these all with some butter. Give them a little pre-boil. Nice and soft, and they'll keep the lobster tails standing up really nice. And get a nice color by the time they're done. Look at that. We got a little Old Bay on the tails as well. And we got all the potatoes in there. Look at this. It's looking good already. I'm getting hungry. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Something to do. You know, especially in these crazy times of COVID. I'm gonna pick it up and get it all nice and secure. And then we're gonna go right inside the wood-fired oven. I'm gonna put it off to the side a little bit so the heat bounces off the wall, cooks it nice and evenly. All right, and I think these are gonna cook probably in about, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. Looks incredible, look at that. All right, so we'll just give it a minute or two and then we'll get back to cooking. So now we're cooking probably around 2 minutes, maybe 3. See that? Yeah. Oh yeah. Everything is roasting very nicely. Potatoes are getting a nice roast on them. And check on the bottom there, it's looking good. Lobsters are cooking good. Look at that, steel nice and firm. Potatoes got beautiful color. And I think that's it, guys. We're gonna rock the afternoon. Beautiful lobsters, fingerling potatoes in the backyard, man. Looking good, right? All right, let's see these bad boys. That looks great, right? Let's put one here. Right, good now. Let's bring it back up. One there. Here. Throw one here. Beautiful. More nice pieces here. Off the hook. Everything is nice. Just put some potatoes next to you if you don't want to stand up. Guys look absolutely amazing. Made them all up very nicely. Oh yeah. Butter. All this delicious hot butter here, so just be careful when you're picking up stuff like this. Just get it all in there. Absolutely amazing. Love life and get cooking and Forno fun. Not just great pizza, anything you cook in a brick stuff and make some